Hello and welcome to Path Made Easy. Today's example is a HPV associated squamous cell carcinoma occurring in the tonsil. So within the tonsil there's lots of lymphoid tissue, so we can see that all these blue dots are mostly lymphocytes, and we have lymphoid follicle formation, and the tonsils are lined by epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, and here it is largely normal, and we have invaginations of that epithelium forming the tonsillar crypts. However, we also have some areas of abnormality. So here are the lymphocytes in the lymphoid tissue, and then we have this other cell type here. So if we look more closely, we have these larger, paler cells, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on mitoses in a very small field. So we've got that area of abnormality which is joining up to the surface. If I come along further in this direction, we can see that this tonsillar crypt is severely dysplastic. And then within the deeper connective tissue, I'm seeing further islands of carcinoma. In actual fact, this tumour is quite insidious because it's growing within the lymphoid tissue and is quite hard to discern, but there's further carcinoma here, which is best demonstrated by the fact that there are lots of mitoses and atypical cells within it, and these pale areas of carcinoma are not to be confused with these lymphoid follicles. So because this is a tumour driven by HPV infection, we would do a P16 stain, which acts as a surrogate marker for HPV infection. And then I can show you that on the next screen. So this is immunohistochemistry for P16, and the brown staining highlights the positive cells, so it's picking up that dysplastic crypt and also those deeper islands which I pointed out. We would also do a HPV in situ hybridization, or PCR, to confirm the presence of high-risk HPV, and it's usually HPV subtypes 16 and 18. So this was an example of an HPV-associated squamous cell carcinoma. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Path Made Easy.